start with your right foot. Side rock, recover, behind side cross, side rock, recover, behind quarter right, forward. Double heel forward, together right. Double heel forward, and together left. And heel switches. Heel step, forward right, scuff left. Walk left, recover, shuffle half turn left. Forward, pivot half turn left, and kick ball chain. And right Dolphy, step, lock step, heel, hold. Together with a right chest box, quarter right, cross, quarter right, back, and side, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 1 facing 6 o'clock and 8 count. Side right, hold, bump right, left. Walk around, full turn right, right, left, count of the tag. And 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 34 count. Forward right, pivot half turn left. And walk forward, right, kick. Back left, back right, coaster, quarter left, coaster, quarter left. Repeat, forward right, kick. Back left, back right, coaster, quarter left. Right samba, left samba. And rock, recover, shuffle half. And forward, half turn, step, hand movement. And then rocking chair. Count. 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.